Last week we learned how to draw Zentangles, and this week we're going to take that to the next level by tracing over our Zentangles with glue and then doing a relief rubbing from that glue Zentangle plate. It's going to be really fun. So what you're going to start with is an abstract shape in the middle of your paper. I started with a star. You can choose whatever shape you would like this time. And then you're going to work around and continue adding to that design with abstract shapes. So I did my star in the middle, and then I did circles around the star, then kind of a wave around the circles. And now I'm adding triangles coming out of the points of that wave, and some zigzags. And just keep working around, adding to your design until you fill up your entire page. The only thing to keep in mind for this Zentangle is that you don't want anything too small, because when you trace over it with the glue bottle, it's just going to become a glue blob if you don't have a big enough shape. So keep that in mind when you're drawing. Alright, so we're going to continue to add until we get to the outside of our paper with spirals, zigzags, stripes, circles. Keep it abstract, fun, and make sure your design is big enough for your glue. Alright, now we're ready to trace over with our glue. And see, this star is a little small, but it's alright. Don't go any smaller than that. You're going to trace over all your Sharpie lines with your glue bottle. Take your time on this. You want to make sure every line gets hit and is thick enough so when we do the tracing, the wax resist, you'll be able to see all your lines. So now we have to wait for the plate to dry, and then we're going to take a clean piece of paper, put it on top, and we're going to start our rubbing. So I'm using the side of my crayon. You're going to have to peel the paper away if there's paper on your crayon. And you're going to rub around your entire plate so you can see all of your designs starting to come out. I like to work from the lighter colors to the darker colors, but it's up to you. And you can kind of experiment with this a little bit because you can use the same plate and do more than one rubbing. So try different colors and do several combinations. See what you like best. The more color you add, the better it's going to come out. So you can really start to see that design the more crayon I'm adding. And make sure to work all the way out to the edges of your paper. These are a lot of fun.